Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming which sheet has the extra page and saving a backup copy. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, switch to Page Break Preview so you can see print boundaries. That visual shows why printing adds a blank page. Now press Ctrl+End to locate Excel's perceived last cell and select any truly blank rows and columns beyond your data. Deleting those resets Excel's used range and often removes the extra page. With the extra rows and columns selected, right-click and choose Delete, not just Clear, to remove them from the worksheet structure. This actually shifts the used range. Next, clear any lingering formatting with Home Clear. Also, invisible content won't force a page break. Then save the workbook, close Excel, and reopen it. Excel recalculates the used range on Open, which often eliminates the phantom page you saw in the print preview. Now preview the print area. If the page remains, inspect margins and scaling under Page Layout because oversized margins or fit to settings can create an extra page. Also search for objects, shapes, or headers/footers pushing content. Delete or resize them as needed. If issues persist, a simple VBA snippet active sheet. Used range can force a reset. Run it after backing up. This final step resolves stubborn cases by programmatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.